In this video, I'll show you how to create a weekly task board in Monday.com. Start from your workspace dashboard. To begin, click the plus add button on the left sidebar, hover over board, and select Start with Template. Search for weekly tasks or weekly planner and select a template that best describes what you want to build. Click Use Template to create the board. Once the board opens, begin organizing the groups. One simple setup is creating one group for each week. For example, you could create groups called week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. Or you can simply create group for this week and then next week. Another option is creating groups for days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Next, add the columns you'll need. Most weekly task boards use columns for task name, assigned person, status, due date, priority, and notes. If any columns are missing, use the horizontal scroll bar to go to the far end of your button and click the plus button on the far right side of the board to add them. Now begin adding tasks into the board. Each row should represent one task or activity. Assign tasks to team members using the people column and add deadlines using the date column. You can also use status labels like to do, working on it, review, and done to track progress throughout the week. And that's how to create a weekly task board in Monday.com.